Okay, so we're going to be hooking into this outlet right here. I really hate it when those screws just skip like that. I took that wire nut off the ground wires there, and it's going to have a sharp edge, so I got to be careful when I pull it out. I'm going to untwist this a little bit just to loosen it up a little so I can get this new wire in here. I just kind of like twist it in evenly there. Okay, so we're going to use our crimpers here, and we're going to put this crimp sleeve on the ground wires, and that's how it goes in the crimper, just like that. I'll get it up nice and close so you can see it. And then I'll just squeeze it nice and tight. Now I like to personally put some electrical tape around the crimp sleeve just so that it eliminates the sharp edge. I'll take it and I'll go over like this. I'll go like that. And I'll take another piece. And I'll do the same thing. Now you don't have to do that, it's not in the code, but I like to do it because it eliminates any sharp edges. And we'll just tape it up really nice and tight so that any possibility of a wire getting punctured into by a sharp edge is eliminated. Okay, now we'll pigtail our black and whites in. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to line these up evenly here because I don't want to untwist this because it's twisted really good. So I'm going to just cut this even here. And we'll just wire nut it. I'll make sure that stays even there. Now I'm not squeezing on this wire nut, I'm just turning it. And I'll tape that back up again. Now you don't have to tape your wire nuts, but since I have several wires in here, I like to tape them so that they all stay tight together. And there's vibration walking around up on the floor, so that's another reason I don't want it to loosen up on me. And I just squeeze it down, make sure it's all taped up good. And now we'll undo the black wires here next. Boy, sometimes just seeing is the hardest part of a job. Okay, now we'll hook our black wire up. We'll just keep it even there. I'm going to make sure these are cut even. I see 1, 2, 3, and they're even at the end. And of course the insulation is even at the bottom. I'm going to get the copper, see how I got them even there? Okay, again, I'm not going to be squeezing on the wire nut. I'm just going to be turning it with these pliers, with these cutters. And we'll tape it up again. When I do that, having to not twist a wire in with the others, when I just line one up, I like to tape the wire nut so that they all stay in nice and tight. And we'll just make sure the tape stays on nice and tight. We'll get a staple back here. Now we can fold all these back into the box. I'll push the grounds all the way into the back. I don't tighten them down with the screw gun, I just get them down into the, I hate how it skips like that, but what can you do? It's going to skip, it's going to skip. You can't change it, so I get mad at it. But then I just like to finish it by hand. That way you don't strip the hole out in the box. And thanks for watching.